Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nurul Qistina binti Muhammad Sulaihan. I am student from UiTM Kuala Terengganu, Diploma in Computer Science. I have completed my industrial training for 6 months at Virtual Instrument and System Innovation Sdn Bhd or VC Sdn Bhd. During my industrial training, I was assigned several interesting tasks that require me to build a few websites for the company. The main purpose of this task was to learn a new website design principle and produce attractive, responsive website for desktop and mobile platforms. WordPress was used to perform all the tasks because the previous websites of the company was created using WordPress. To finish my assigned tasks, I need to make some research on WordPress, cPanel, and website maintenance. Of course, after the websites are complete, several tests are needed in order to improve its accessibility. WordPress is the main software that I use for this entire task. WordPress is a PHP-based content management system that operates with MySQL and MariaDB database. WordPress themes are convenient to edit since most of them provide an option panel that allows users to change color, upload logo, change the background, make attractive sliders, and effectively customize it to our needs. It also offers customized CSS for us to sell our own content. Adding custom CSS to WordPress is a great way to make a website stand out. I was not solely focused on my main task. I also performed some additional tasks based on the briefing that was given to me when I joined this company. Here are some of my everyday activities and some of the fascinating things that I did throughout my 6 months industrial training. Next, the filing of desktop took about 3 months in server work. They handed us several old desktop computers that had been sitting idle for a long time. Outside, all of the desktops appear to be in fine condition, but some checking need to be done to see whether the desktop can be powered on or not. I need to make sure that all of the hardware are functioning well and updating the operating system to ensure the desktop can run properly. Finally, I created a list of everything for maintenance purpose such as hardware, drivers, operating system, as well as for the future supervisor reference. This industrial training has been a wonderful and rewarding experience. I can conclude that my industrial training at VC Sdn Bhd has taught me a great deal. Needless to say, the aspects of my work do not seem to be faultless, but would be improved with more time. As someone who had no prior experience with website development and desktop maintenance, I feel the time that I spent exploring and learning it was well worth it to finding an effective solution for developing a fully functional website. I strongly recommend any students who are interested in website or software development to seek for industrial training at this company, because they constantly have projects to work on. Trainees will be asked and tested whether they can carry out the task. Students can explore and gain more knowledge in their course field. I would like to thank everyone from VC Sdn Bhd for giving me the chance to conduct my industrial training at this company and further enhance my abilities. The working experience I gained while completing my industrial training here is incredibly valuable. Thank you.